Get it, Lexi. Get it.
Hey, where are you?
Go get it.
Okay. So you're not coming back to Florence? I'm at Nikki's right now, and I was trying to figure out if you were coming back over here. Do I need to wait or going home?
Hi, baby.
Okay.
Hi, Lola.
Right.
Hi, Lexi. Get the ball. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. So where's he at? Run, Layla, run! Run, Layla! With your big tongue. Lexi! Go, Lexi, go, Lexi, go! Now if only Dad will get this crap off my back porch. She is just going to town with that water. Lexi! Lex, come here. See the water? Well, that wasn't very much. She's like, well, Duty Head's going to town with it. She's just a drinking.
See my leg?
No. Ooh. When did that happen?
One came in.
What y'all doing? I want to fill the pool up.